Hello everyone, are you ready to dive into another exciting discovery? Let's get started. Separation techniques. One of the distinctive property of a substance or a mixture of a substance is that it is very possible to separate the constituents of the physical means by separation techniques. Each constituent of the physical mixture still remain is individual property after separation. Here are different types of separation techniques. The first one is sieving. What is sieving? Sieving is a method used in separating solid particles of different sizes. The solid particles is placed on a sieve with a match. Particles that are placed on a particular size. Probably the particle smaller than the match size of the sieve will go down, while the particles bigger than the size of the match will remain on top. Mostly, this particular method of separation techniques is very usually extensively in mining and garri production. Now, we have decantation, which is another separation techniques. In decantation is used in the separation of mixture of a liquid and a solid, whereby you find out that the solids at the end of the day settle at the bottom of the container while the liquid remains on top on a standing. This particular separation techniques is very quick but very inaccurate, because there will be, on the course of removing the water, there will be agitation of the particle that have rest on below that can easily move in with the water on top of the layer. So that's why this particular separation techniques is not always very correct. We call it that is very incorrect. We have another one called filtration. It's a method of also separating insoluble particles from liquids through the pores of the filter paper. During filtration, the liquid portion passes through the filter paper, while you find out that the liquid passes through the filter paper and the residue, the filtrate, remain on top of the paper. So the liquid that pass into the paper, we refer it as the filtrate, while the solid that remain on top of the paper is refers as what? Residue. You find out this particular separation techniques is usually used, or we use it in separation of mixture of suspension of chalk dust in water. The next one is evaporation, which is also another separation technique. It's a method of separating dissolved solutes from solution by heating the mixture to dryness, so that at the end of the day, the liquid portion with a lower vapor pressure then remains, and the solid is being removed from the solid portion. That is salt filtration. Remember, science is everywhere, so stay curious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Thanks.